Hey and welcome back! We are here with another tutorial from NeoVector Academy. In this tutorial, we'll create a two-seater, an L-shaped, and a single-seater sofa in 3D Studio Max. Begin by selecting your model. For optimal results, it's recommended that all components of the model are unified and seamlessly connected. To achieve symmetry efficiently, navigate to the Modify panel, access the modifier list, and apply the Mirror Symmetry modifier. This will help establish balanced proportions across the design. Next, enter the sub-object level and activate the mirror function. The line of symmetry will now be visible, serving as a yellow-colored plane representing the symmetry axis. Using the Move tool, I can adjust its position as needed. As you can see, the model is now becoming symmetrical relative to this axis. I can also define the axis of symmetry or use the flip function to reverse the mirrored direction, to establish symmetry along this direction. Now, here I begin by creating a four-seater sofa as the base model. To transform the four-seater sofa into an L-shaped configuration, I apply an additional symmetry modifier. From the modifier list, I add a new symmetry modifier, enable the X-axis, and activate the flip option. Now, by adjusting the mirror sub-object, you can see how to extend the four-seater sofa into an eight-seater by continuing the symmetry, but I'll keep it as a four-seater for now. This time, instead of moving this axis of symmetry and mirror, I will rotate it. I activate the Rotate tool and 90 degrees. To ensure precise 90-degree rotations, I enable the Angle Snap feature, allowing the rotation to snap in fixed increments. After that, I reactivate the Move tool to adjust the position and refine the form as needed. As you can see, the model now features excellent detailing, and we've successfully created an L-shaped sofa. To create a single-seater version, I simply duplicate the existing sofa by holding Shift and moving it slightly. Then, I remove the second symmetry modifier to isolate the single unit. Look at the first symmetry modifier. I activate and move the line of symmetry or mirror, right? Now, instead of moving it away, I bring it closer, meaning we can convert a two-seater sofa that was like this into a single-seater sofa. Okay, now I can rotate this and place it beautifully in the desired position. At the end, we can take a screenshot of our viewport. Navigate to midjourney.com and log in. Then go to the Edit section, click on Edit Upload Image, and upload the screenshot you previously captured. In the Retexture section, we can generate high-quality outputs and renders of the scene in various formats. As shown here, I've defined the visual style as contemporary to guide the rendering aesthetics. A living room in a contemporary style. I defined the L-shaped sofa. I even considered leather material for the sofas and the descriptions I had for the space. As for the outdoor space, I even mentioned that it should be a modern urban space in the background. By clicking Submit, the scene is visualized by the parameters, such as leather couch, outdoor setting, and the detailed attributes defined in the prompt, while maintaining the chosen format. For example, if we look at the renders below in the Bohemian style, you can see that the space has been clearly defined, and the overall appearance fully reflects the characteristics of that style. Now, if you like this tutorial, please subscribe to the NeoVector Academy YouTube channel.